Hey everyone, it's Frank from Motivate here. I need your help. I have these two boxes and I need you to tell me which box I should be working with over the next couple of days. We'll start with what's inside this box. This is hard to open. Is a 3D printer. I'm going to be using this to print some gauges, actually the shell of a gauge. So we have a nice way to mount our Arduino-based oil pressure gauges, oil temperature gauges, and a bunch of other things that we have planned here at Motivate. So 3D printing, it's going to be a lot of fun. So that's the first option. Or do I start with this box here? I know what that is. Ecutech. Let's open it. And look at that. Well, Enthusiast Auto Care. Eugene and I were going to be doing some work together on getting my car tuned and putting together some videos to show the process so that we can all understand it and sort of give you a behind the scenes view. So big shout out to Enthusiast Auto Care. This is going to be really a lot of fun. So that's that. Now there's something else in here. Let's see what this is. A spare ECU. This is going to allow us to do back-to-back testing so we can get a really good idea of what the gains will be. This already has the Ecutech software on it, and we're going to continue to get it tuned to my car. The only modifications I have are still in kept back exhaust and Canon panel filters, so I have no idea what to expect. But what's going to be nice is I can go drag racing, potentially do a track day. I think we have some open now, and I'll be able to get some times in and then swap ECUs and go out and do some more times. So that should be real exciting. Now there's one more thing here. I'm gonna wear this with pride. I'm with RaceROM Ecutech. So that's something on the back too. What's that say? Let's see. Ecutech Vehicle Tuning Technology. Awesome. So, do I get into the tuning aspect? Do I get into the 3D printing for the oil pressure gauges, oil temperature gauges? And by the way, the gauges that I'm thinking of, they're not round. They actually are going to blend so well into the dash, it's going to look like it came from the factory. Something I've been planning for a while, and I finally went out today and got the 3D printer. So, let me know. Ecutech gauges. Please let me know in the comments below, and I appreciate your input, and we'll see where this goes over the next couple of days. Thanks.